Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Today I will be doing a minimal November plan with me. I am a digital paper planner. This means I set up my information digitally and then print and insert the information into my planner. I like to plan this way because it helps me save a lot of time. I can plan a full month in seconds. And if I make a mistake, I can easily update it and fix it. Also, it's very neat and I tend to be OCD, so this helps me with the challenge of having a neat planner all the time. Lastly, even though I'm a minimal planner, if I want to add designs, I can easily do so without using physical stickers or drawings, which saves me time, money, and space. So let's get started. First, I open the HP Automated Calendar, which is available in my Etsy shop. I have placed a link below if you're interested. Now I will quickly add the information for the month of November. First, I like to add my bills. I just use the drop-down list like this. Next, I add holidays and the moon cycle. And sometimes I change the quote to reflect my mindset for the month. Just a quick review, and I move on to the following section. Next, I will review my monthly overview page. My goals are staying the same as last month, so I will keep the same information. I have added important things to do already, but I will not show them since they are uncompleted tasks. And I'm not ready to share them at this time. Lastly, I review my self-study. And my self-study stays the same as the previous month since it's part of a 12-week third quarter goal. So I have printed my one-page monthly planner. I have cut it down to size and inserted it into my HP Mini Planner. And this is what it looks like. I'm happy with the results. I refer to this throughout the month to stay on top of my bills. Even though I try to pay most of my bills on the first of the month, I cannot always do this and need to be able to refer to this calendar on a regular basis. So that finalizes my November minimal planning. What do you think of this method? Do you plan digitally and print as well? Or do you have a similar method? Please let me know in the comment section. If you like this method and want a size other than the HP Mini, you can also email me on Etsy. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave them in the comments below. Also, please leave a like to support this channel. Bye.